I am the redwood. I grow massive and remarkably just from a tiny seed. I reach up, up, up into the sky. Fog feeds me with mist and moisture. I teach strength through interdependence. Redwoods can live over 2,000 years and grow taller than the Statue of Liberty. They pull moisture from fog through their leaves, a process called fog drip, sustaining forests during drought. I stand in stillness and echo the cycles and seasons of nature. Time moves differently beneath my branches. Quiet strength endures. Advice from a redwood. Stand tall and proud. Sink your roots into the earth. Be content with your natural beauty. Go out on a limb. Drink plenty of water. Remember your roots. Enjoy the view.
Mm-hmm.